Quality of the output from the AI model is dependent on the quality of the prompt, and poorly designed prompt will result in generic or lackluster output. And we give AI model a task, and our expectation is that we will get the desired results. And here, task refers to the specific actions or process that AI model is trained to perform in response to a prompt. Now let's look at some of the building blocks of prompts. First one is instruction, and instruction is nothing but it provides an AI model with a clear roadmap of what it needs to do, and it helps to ensure that task is completely correct and efficient. And in very simple terms, you can think instructions as do or don'ts for AI model. Next is context, which refers to the background information or situation that surrounds a task. And it provides AI model with an additional information about the task, and it understands the situation and goals of the task. You can think as the context as a guide for the AI model. It is certainly not a strict rule, but it is a guide which derives the correct output. Next is input data and example. It is always good if we can provide more and more information to the AI model to get to the desired results. And here, if we can give some example, AI model will go through that example and provide you the results on a similar lines. Next one is very important, which is output indicator. So think of an example that you ask AI model to write some kind of essay on a specific topic. So if you put a prompt of write a essay on a specific topic, it will generate an essay for that topic. But if you write a prompt like write an essay on a specific topic in 300 words, then it is an output indicator. What that means is it will generate the output on that topic, but it will limit the output in 300 words, and that is called output indicator. So in summary, there are 5 effective ways for the prompts, and these are kind of clarity, context, precision, persona pattern, and so forth. Now let's look at some of the examples of effective prompt. The first one here is create an abstract painting inspired by rush hour in New York City. So if you see here, it is very clear for the model that it needs a drawing or painting from New York City for a rush hour, and it needs an abstract painting. So that is a good prompt. Now let's talk about the next prompt. Write an email marketing strategy to generate leads and increase conversion rates for the retail company, and use personalized messaging and automated workflows in 500 words. So here, if you see, it is very clear. There are some keywords here like the model need to write the email marketing strategy, and it needs to limit the output in 500 words. So these are some of the examples of good prompts.